girl Oni D here, back at it again, showing you my butter look from BTS. It's inspired my makeup and music series. We're still at it. I know I've been gone for a long time, but I'm back. So right now I'm just styling my hair. I cut it, as you might know. If you don't know, I cut it and it was a short pixie. It's growing out. So this is what I do to style my curly pixie hair. I take a small circle brush and roll it, and you see how the curls start to form. Then I take a flat brush and do the same thing so the curls can clump together, and then just let it dry. When I tell you that's it, and it'll be so cute, that's it. Now we're gonna go straight into the makeup. I mist my face with my setting spray. I got it from BoxyCharm. I really do like it. Next, I'm going to moisturize my face with another cream that I got from BoxyCharm. Everything I will list in the description below. I usually put it on the screen, but so many things have been happening, and this video is supposed to come out maybe like 2 weeks ago. So we're going to just do what it do. We're going to take it as we get it. We're just going to put this thing out. It's ready to go. So as you can see, I'm just tapping in all that moisture, making sure it gets into my skin. Then after that, we are going to apply my favorite foundation, The Ordinary. I believe I'm using the coverage one, not the serum. Yeah, I think I'm wearing the coverage one because this one's a little bit thicker in consistency. Now I usually only apply one layer. You can use a brush. I'm using my Real Technique brush, or you can use a sponge. Either or, it will look flawless. So here I go. I didn't shave my little eyebrow thing so you can see my hands on my eyebrow, but don't bother me. Don't bother me. And if you have it, rock it, sis, or rock it, boo. Okay? Okay. There. So now I'm just blending everything in. I do one pump from one side and one pump for the other side. So in total, 2 pumps. I think that's pretty good. As everything's blended in, I'm going to just put my concealer on. I just put it mostly underneath the corner creases of my eye, and then I do the outer, under the nose, the bridge of my nose, and the chin. As you can see. Now we just let that dry. Sometimes I put on my, I don't know if I do it here, but I usually put on my, I don't do it here. Sometimes I let my concealer sit for a bit and put on my eyeshadow. But here, I guess I ain't do it. With me, you don't know how the routine is gonna go. All we know is definitely foundation goes first, then concealer. That's how I always do that. But other steps, it could go with however I feel. So as you can see, I'm just blending all of that in with the same Real Techniques brush. You could use the same sponge, whatever brush you like. You don't have to get crazy. Now with a fluffy brush, I'm going to set my face, set my under eye. So I just put a little bit of powder and dab it on. Now I don't like to bake because I feel like that causes flashback. So what I do is I just melt it in the skin. And you see how that instantly blurs? Love it. Love, 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 love it. So yes, we're just going to do the same thing. Pat it in. Dust it off. Go over the face, and that instantly blurs your face. So if ever you want a blurring effect, always have a translucent powder. I use the Airspun. You can get it at, basically, I get mine at Rite Aid. So you can go to your pharmacy, do that. Now this is my bronzer. I don't have a lot of bronzers because a lot of places don't make like a cool tone type of bronzer. Yes, I know it's supposed to be warm tone, but I like a little cool, a little neutral. I think this one's more neutral than cool. So yeah, I just use this to contour my face. I use my little bronzer because, you know, it's summertime. Sometimes in the winter I do the same thing, but it's summer, so we try to look a little bronzy, have a little glow effect. So yeah, now since I'm doing a very minimal eye look, I'm going to take the bronzer and just put it in basically all over my eye, all over my eyelid, down the nose, everywhere, contouring, putting a little eyeshadow, all of that. So now we're going into my favorite palette, my Bretman Rocks Jungle Rocks palette from Wet n Wild. And I'm just going to take, I believe I took the gold. Yes, the gold shade, and I put it all over my lid. I'm going to link the shade color in the description box below. But yeah, definitely I took the gold shade, the more champagne gold, and put it all over my lid. Then I took the brown and I put it in the outer crease and of my eye. I don't really put it in the middle, I just put it on the outer, just to give the eye a little definition, you know, a little dimension. So yeah, I'm just doing that, and I'm going all over. Now I'm just taking the champagne, going over again. So now I mix the two golds. I mix that and the I think lioness or something like that, and I put it all over the lid just so it pops. As you can see here, I'm just adding a little more definition to my eye. And I did the same thing on the other side. And that's it for the eye look. No liner, nothing, done. So now I'm just going to take my Becca Champagne, I believe it's the Champagne highlighter, and put that all over my cheekbones, my nose bridge. I usually do my Cupid's bow and my chin. I do the forehead too, but girl, as you can see, baby, we got the bangs. The bangs. We can't go under there. We ain't touching that. We gotta let that dry. So now I'm just giving myself a little, anytime you feel a little dry in the face, always feel free to mist your face. Get that hydration, baby, because we got dry skin over here. We know this. No, we don't have time for that. So hydrate the face. What did I do here? Oh, I put my Alamar blush on. I've been using the darker blush, and now that one's running out. So I'm just like, oh god, this is my favorite blush. Like, I'll be in shambles when this runs out. Now I like to do the sun-kissed look. I like to put it on the high parts of my cheeks, on my cheeks, and my nose. Now this is what works for me. I like it. I don't care if somebody else doesn't like it, and you shouldn't either. Do what you want, okay? Do you, baby, okay? Do you. So I just blend that in, and I'm liking it. I'm digging it, as you can see. I put on a little more highlight because your girl loves a highlight. You know this. If you don't know this, you will get to know this. Your girl loves a highlight. So now I'm just taking my hands and floofing my hair. And next we are going into lips. Like, sometimes I like to use a lip liner, but most of the time I don't know where I put that lip liner. So what I do is I use a dark brown shade of eyeshadow, any brown, whatever brown color you like. The darker, the better, you know? Sometimes you just gotta make it work. You just gotta make it work. So here I'm just lining my, the outer of my lips. It's already naturally a little bit brown, so I just like to enhance that because I think it's very cute. And you should embrace everything on your face. Don't try to hide it. Embrace it. So right now I'm just enhancing it, and I'm going around I might have used a little too much on my bottom lip. I'm going to tell you that right now. I should have only outlined the bottom, but your girl went crazy and just went all over her bottom lip. I don't know why you did that. I probably figured I'm going over with lipstick, but that color is going to blend. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I did that. Don't do that when you're doing your thing. I mean, if you want to, if you like the color. But yeah, regret. Ugh. Just looking at myself doing this right now is making me a little bit annoyed. So yeah, I'm going to take my Maybelline Stay, and I'm going to put that all in the middle of my lip. I mean, yes, it covered that brown, but I know the color would have been different. Anyways, it looks very cute. You could leave it matte if you like. I like a little glossy gloss. I'm pretty sure I put on gloss. And look how the hair is coming along as it's drying. It's cute. Oh, see, I thought I was going to put out this lip gloss. I was about to be very upset with myself. I got this one also from BoxyCharm. It's really not my favorite, but it's what I can find. You know, that's mostly how makeup goes. You lose, you got to pick up something else. You gotta make it work. So now I'm going into that gold shade on my Bretman Box palette because I needed more highlight. I needed the highlight to correspond with the eyeshadow. I usually like to do that. Now I got these Eloise glow, body glow shimmer thing. It's like the Fenty one. You know what I'm talking about. It's like the Fenty one. I've never used the Fenty one. But I got this one, and since I'm wearing a cute little yellow dress, I thought I should glow and glisten in the sun. So here we go. Look how, baby, look at that little glow it's giving me. Get into it. Come on. Come on, get into the glow. And I know I look like I'm naked. I'm not. I am wearing a tube top. Please, please. The video needs to go out, okay? Let me live. Yeah, I'm just putting that everywhere. And now I'm going to do my, I put on, as you can see, I put on my clothes, my outfit. And now we're gonna go to the store to get my lashes. And here is my little lash section at my local Rite Aid. I was looking at the kind of mink lashes and I was liking them. I was going to get them. Your girl didn't get them. Not for that price. Okay, the price is not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. But I want more. I don't want just one lash. If it was like a dramatic thing, I wouldn't even come here to get my lashes. I would just go to my sister. Because, you know, she has her own brand. Lonnie Lashes. Also will be linked in the description with my promo code. Go and get it. Show her some love. Because the lashes are bomb AF. Okay? Alright. Anyways, back to these normal lashes. So I just got the Kiss, I think it's the wispy lashes. I just got those, and I got a adhesive to put them on, and we finna be out of here. Yep, see, here we go. Oh, let me tell you. So I always, when I'm wearing a dress, sometimes I like to go commando. So what I do, because you don't want to just be out there, and your girl's a little thick, you know, a little thigh, we cut off the ends. Cut off the ends so it turns into a Spanx, because we don't got money for Spanx, okay? So we're going to DIY. Go to your Rite Aid, get your little things, cut them, and put them on, and be smooth. Okay? And them thighs won't be rubbing the whole damn time. Because that's annoying. So yes. I did that, and now I'm putting on the lashes. I remember having a hard time putting on these lashes because I'm so used to my sister's lashes, which has a thicker band. So it's easy for me to put on. I just go boom and it's on. This one, since the band is a little bit thinner, it took me a while to put it on. And I usually trim my lashes because usually when I do normal, like normal-esque lashes. I just like to put it on the outer, as you can see. Look at that. Giving. Gives it a more natural look. Right, so see, it just, oh, look, oh, come on, please. Anyways, I hope you like this look. I can't wait to see you in my next video. I know it's been a long time. I miss you guys. I miss doing this. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. And to the people who've been subbing to me while I'm not here, I love you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You are motivation. You are everything. Love you. Bye.